Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use data validation in Excel. So let's start. Here is my Excel sheet. As you can see, I have already mentioned the date range. Date should be between 1/5 2023 to 31st December 2024. Now I want to make sure that only the dates within this range are allowed in this table. To do that, we will apply the data validation so that if someone tries to enter the dates outside this range, Excel will show the error message. So let's begin. So select the range of data. Okay. Then go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the data validation option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the first option, data validation. And here you see the one dialog box is open, data validation. Select the first tab, the setting in validation criteria. In allow, click on this drop down arrow and select the dates option. Okay, data between is already selected. Start date, enter your start date. So I just entered my start date 01/02/2023. Okay, and ended the 31st December 2024. Okay, this is the end date as I mentioned here. Okay, then click on OK, and that's it. Your data validation is applied. Now I enter here the date 01, okay, 02, 2023. Okay, it's allowed this range. Now I enter the date 31st December 2025. Okay, see the error is showing Microsoft Excel. This value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Okay, suppose I enter whole date 1/01/01, okay, 2021. Okay, I just enter and see the same error is showing here. The values does not match the data validation restrictions. So this is the way you can use the data validation in your Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.